Hey everyone, welcome to our new episode of PostGrid Builder plugin tutorial series. In this episode, I will show you how to create post slider by our PostGrid Builder. So let's try create a post slider. So let's give a name and create new post slider by clicking create button. So you see we have created new post grid with the name with post slider. So let's click to load, and you see the post slider loaded. So go to the edit tab, and under the view type, let's try slider or carousel. So you see we have created a post slider by our post grid builder. So you can use the navigation and dots. So under the templates, you can use our templates with the to create a quick slider by our ready templates. So you see template applied, and you can customize every element you want. So let's try explore the query post. You can add any query parameter you want. We have added the most advanced query builder for our PostGrid builder, and there is also query preset, so you don't need to click add parameters manually, so you can use the query preset. Also there is the copy paste, so you can copy paste query parameters from any other post grid. So this way you can add advanced query parameter to query post or product from your list. So there is the very basic setting and the slider options. There is the slider options. You can add slider options. We have used the slide.js, so you change the number of columns or the per page or per mobs and gap autoplay, and you see the gap changed. And there is also copy paste, so you can copy paste slider options from any other slider. Also the layouts, you can customize the layouts you want. There is also layouts library, so you can apply layout from here. So you see layouts applied. Also you can customize the layouts you want. There is the elements you can drag drop into the preview, and you can customize elements. Let's try pick the product in stock element, so you can set the custom text for the in stock, out of stock, and you can target elements for wrapper for the in stock text. Like you can change the background color for the in stock text like this. You see background color changed. Also you can change the preview for the in stock, out of stock, and you see there is no style for the out of stock. So let's try add out of stock background color, and you see the background color applied for the out of stock. So this way you can edit any elements you want. So each element has different selector and options. So once you are done, you can close the layouts. There is also wrapper selector. You can add a style for the wrapper elements. Let's try add a background color, and you see the background color applied for the wrapper element. Also you can target the items wrapper. So let's try add a background color for the items, and you see the background color for the item wrapper added. And also the navigation arrows, you can target individual previous or next button. So let's try change the background color for the previous button. You see the background color applied. So you can target any elements you want, like you can change the style for the previous icon or next icon. And the pagination, you can apply custom style for the pagination dots. Let's try apply background color for the dots. You see the background color applied. So this way you can customize each and every element for your slider. So once you are done, let's try save the settings and copy the shortcode. So once you click the shortcode, you will see the notice copy to clipboard, and go to the page and use the shortcode and save the page. So let's try visit the page, and you see the slider is loaded with the style. we have added. You see the background color for the dots, and there is the background color from the items wrapper. So let's try remove the items wrapper background color, and let's try save the page, and let's try refresh the page, and you see the background color removed for the items wrapper. So the exact loop with the live data from your products list, and you see the price and every element. So this way you can create beautiful product slider or post slider you want. I hope you love this. Thank you so much.